Welcome back to this program, Anti-Climate and Climate Change and how it's going to affect our everyday lives. Now, while scientists have been able to pinpoint the erratic weather patterns across the globe to the effects of global warming, this phenomenon is now taking its toll on our country too, and specifically the Gangotri Glacier. The glacier has already receded by about 2 kilometers in the last 200 years, and it's only going to get worse.
The Gangotri Glacier, located in the lower reaches of the Himalayas, has the distinction of being one of India's largest glaciers, but it is now gaining a dubious record. Experts say that this large storehouse of fresh water is slowly melting due to global warming. But the Gangotri is not the only glacier that is melting away. Other frozen masses in the region too are wilting at a steady pace. Scientists say that though cracks in the solid mass are normal formations, the cracks noted recently are definitely not a normal phenomenon.
जो स्नाउट था हमारा वो धीरे-धीरे ऊपर को खिसकता जा रहा है और रास्तों में जो हमारे जैसे तपोवन के रास्ते हैं, रक्त वन के या नंदन वन के, जो भी यहाँ पे टीमें आती है उनको काफी दिक्कतें हो रही है क्योंकि रास्ता दिन पर दिन चेंज होता जा रहा है.
Recent studies also indicate that the 26-kilometer long glacier has been slowly retreating over the years. Scientists monitoring the glacier say that in the past 200 years alone, the glacier has receded by 2 kilometers, which means every year it moves back by approximately 23 meters. And what is troubling experts more is the fact that the pace of this unnatural phenomenon is speeding up. The reason? Less snowfall in the high reaches of the Himalayas, which feed the glacier due to a greenhouse effect, and the combined effects of global warming and overpopulation.
जो एटमॉस्फेयर का लोअर स्ट्रेटम है वहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, ये ऑब्जर्व किया गया है कि वहाँ पर ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस का जमावड़ा शुरू हो गया, अब इकट्ठे हो गए, तो उससे क्या होता है कुछ ये एनर्जी वहीं पे ट्रैप हो जाती है और कुछ तो वापस आ जाती है, और जो वापस आ जाती है फिर वो रिफ्लेक्ट बैक हो जाती है ऊपर, तो ये सिलसिला चला जाता है. तो उससे क्या होता है कि उससे भी एक हीट जो बजट है अर्थ की वो बढ़ जाती है, उसमें नेचुरली टेम्परेचर बढ़ने के ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं.
According to an intergovernmental panel on climate change, the Earth's temperature will rise by 2 to 6 degrees Celsius in the next 100 years. That means ice caps located in the northern and southern hemisphere will begin to melt, flooding coastal regions around the world. Posing a similar danger are the glaciers and landlocked areas like the Gangetic Plains. When these begin to melt, they will flood the adjoining lower regions. And then with the glaciers gone, so is an important source of fresh water. With Siddharth and Gangotri, Shyam Dasgupta, Headlines Today.
Well, so the Gangotri is melting, yes, but what are the sort of immediate fallouts of this phenomenon? Not only does it threaten to wipe away a large storehouse of fresh water, but also wash away one of the country's holiest pilgrimage centers.
Gangotri is where the Ganga originates, but sacred and holy as it may be for many, this lifeline of the Himalayas now finds itself in troubled waters. In 2006, as the mercury touched an all-time high here, solid pieces of ice started to break away from the glacier. The rapid retreat is worrying scientists. It's disappointing tourists as well.
मेरे को बड़े आश्चर्य इसलिए हुआ है क्योंकि पहले जब हम आए नहीं हैं, लेकिन हमने जो देखा है फोटोग्राफ्स में, दूसरों से दोस्तों से सुना है, उस हिसाब से जिस तरह से ग्लेशियर पिघल के गिर जा रहा है, बड़े प्रॉब्लम की बात हो जा रही है और फिर चिंता की भी बात हो जा रही है और आश्चर्य तो हो ही रहा है.
I have special expedition to places of power. India is big place of power, and now I have one special expedition to this glacier for meditation, for feel power of Ganga.
It's getting to be a dangerous zone too. Experts say that since settlements and tourist activities have significantly extended towards the glaciated regions, avalanches are becoming increasingly common.
गंगोत्री एरिया जो है उसको हमें बायोस्फीयर या फिर एक रिजर्व का दर्जा देना चाहिए, ताकि उसमें जो मानव की जो हरकतें हैं, जो बेरोक टोक हम चले जाते हैं, कोई नियम नहीं कुछ नहीं है, उससे वो फर्क पड़ जाता है. क्या होता है कि अगर हम ज़्यादा तादाद में जाते हैं तो बॉडी टेम्परेचर जो होता है, बॉडी टेम्परेचर से भी जो है जो लोकल जो टेम्परेचर रिजीम होती है वो प्रभावित हो जाती है.
Since Gangotri is considered holy by Hindus, controlling tourist activities in this region may neither be too easy nor advisable. But experts fear that if this problem is not taken care of, the fast retreating and melting Gangotri Glacier could endanger the lives of millions. With Siddharth in Gangotri, Zaka Jacob, Headlines Today.
Well, clearly the negative side of this mad race called development is there for all of you to see. And now it's threatening to strike at the very roots of our existence, that sacred relationship we share with Mother Nature. Save planet Earth, save mankind. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.